The hugely popular smartphone app TikTok says it is suspending some of its features in Russia in light of the country's fake news law. But in Ukraine, TikTok is thriving, and one photographer is using the platform to turn the sound of sirens into art. Valeria Shashinook is using TikTok to document her life in a bunker in northern Ukraine. Her videos have gone viral, getting millions of views as she shows the world what it's like to survive Russia's brutal aggression. Valeria joins me now. Hi, Valeria. Thank you so much for coming on to share your story. First of all, tell us, how are you and your family doing right now?
To be honest, the situation in my country every day getting worse. I'm really God blessed that now I'm with my family in the most safe place, bomb shelter. So yeah.
It must just be surreal to wake up and think you're in the middle of a war zone, that you are subject to Russian aggression at any moment. You don't know what's going to happen, but you've been able to document it, as we've seen in this video on the screen, on your TikTok account. You have 250,000 followers now on TikTok, almost 10 million likes. That is a lot of people around the world paying attention to everything you are sharing. How did you decide what part of your life to put on TikTok?
You know, I'm a photographer. It is like my first job. I don't know how to say correctly. And I like to make videos, and TikTok, it is a nice social media to show what I see in real life. And one day I decided to make a trend like Italian, what make Italian things make sense, like something like that. And I decided to make what things in my bomb shelter make sense. And I think that after that, my videos start being more popular. And it is one of the reasons just why I start to make that. And I feel that it's like my mission to show people how it looks in real life, that is real life. And I'm here